rolling down the coast, 122 northeast corner, state of Maine.
Well, you got my attention. I'm sure you got a bunch of attention. Come on, right west. They appreciate you letting me know the free. Mountains here in the old Carolinas. Independence Lake. Out there, just a small fish in a big old pond. All I got is this big old antenna. Appreciate you. 122, your critter backwoods waving, break up, break.
Hey, critter, backwoods of Georgia. I'm gonna wave a hand absolutely down the coast, let you know you're sounding good up here in the corner. 122 coast of Maine, we're bumping it back.
Hey, 122, Trike, backwoods of Georgia waving. Come in. Center top shelf indeed. Mercy, mercy. Jones, good to hear you in there, my friend. Good morning.
Absolutely, I keep a few of those flowers, critter. I gotta tell you, you're absolutely pushing the meter over. No two ways about that. Absolutely rolling into New England in a real good conditions, no doubt, critter. Keep doing what you're doing. 122 Maine, letting you know. Good morning, 122. Get some church and end us there, and we'll put it on you later. 122. Critter, backwoods of Georgia. Right back at you, critter. I acknowledge 804. I think it was you rolling on through there as well. It got rough. Hey, critter, you have yourself a good day. We'll do it again when we can, no doubt. Critter, have a good day, sir, and a happy 4th. 122 waving. Hey, and 804, welcome to Maine. 122, just want to say good morning. I just want to see if I could slide in there and say hello right quick to definitely a good 10A station down there in Georgia. Old critter is 804 radio. Carolina's back out the way. I'll see you. Bye. Definitely, real good numbers, real good signal. 804. Shooting up the coast, sounding real good this morning, no doubt about that. Just Mother Nature just settled, I think. 122 bumping it back. Holy cow, 122. You were getting some North Carolina Mother Nature for sure. I keep having to bump the squelch up on my monitor radio. I got it attenuated where I can listen to what's going on my end for transmissions, but it'll receive too if somebody comes in here real strong, and I keep having to bump the squelch almost all the way out on it. Hey, 122, you coming in good yourself. I'll see you. Bye. Hey, we appreciate that. 804, absolutely do, no doubt about it. Absolutely doing what we can with what we got up here in the corner, no doubt. 804, have a safe and happy 4th. 122 back out. Bye-bye. Hey, 425, I heard you come in. Trying to get in there, 425. Said have a good 4th too. I'll see you. 804, we almost started up. I hope you can hear me over there, Mr. 804. Or we should... No contact on 122. Captain Lou, the big toe, getting on up. Oh, Captain Lou, there you are. Hey, Captain Lou, there you are. You're absolutely rolling through the receive up here this morning. Good morning, Captain Lou. 122 bumping it back. You a good morning to you and yours, Captain Lou. Good hearing you rolling through New England this morning. Absolutely, definitely in rough conditions a little bit. Mother Nature hasn't quite settled, but hey, you're busting on through. Captain Lou, sounding good, sir.
122 letting you know and back out. Bye-bye-bye.
Either 122. Okay, you have a good 4th of July. You behave. Hey, good morning, 122. Good morning, 122. The Fire State of Maine. You got a copy on the Red Rooster, North Carolina. Hope you have a great day. I'm down here in Music City looking for conditions.
You have yourself a great day as well, sir. I missed the numbers. I heard North Carolina, 122 back out.
And Jordan Power Stroke. The Red Rooster down here in the Tar Heel State. Wishing you a good day. And a good one for sure. Enjoy it. It's a 122. Fire State of Maine. B86 Red Rooster, North Carolina on the left side.
86 Red Rooster, I believe it was, North Carolina. There you go. You just rolled right through in real good conditions that go around. I got it all, no doubt. 86, you have yourself a safe and happy 4th. Sounding good up here in Maine. 122 letting you know and back out. Bye-bye-bye.
Hey, 122. Hey, 122, 222. The backwoods of Georgia said. Hey, 122, 222.
222. Hey, you do it like that. 222. We're going to spike the mic and wave down there to the backwoods of Georgia. Absolutely. 222. Sounding good up here in New England. 122 coast of Maine letting you know, sir.
Got it, what you said. 121. Oh, going out down here in Music City, out here in the woods, I'm going.
Waving at your doorknob, Tennessee, 122 Maine, trying to wave that way.
747, happy 4th of July. Hey, 122, sounding good in the backwoods of Georgia. Trike waving.
Hey, and good morning, Trike. Absolutely sounding good up here in Maine as well, sir. Absolutely clearing it up, Trike. 122, hey, we're bumping it back.
Hey, 122, happy 4th of July. How about you, 122, Georgia? Hey, 555, you gotta lay down around Southern Indiana. 5, happy intro. Joe, Tommy T. All right, man, I just want to make sure you got my return there a minute ago. Let you know you have some mail down here in Old Kakalakis this morning. Independence Wave, 804 Radio, better to say. 73, have a safe one, 747, appreciate it. Sunday morning bump, I'm up. Chime in and wish you well. Enjoy your food. You're bottom side of the pen. I'm getting up. Harold Batman, have yourself a super fine safe 1747. Boss, and you said I got it all. You definitely. How about it? 122. 1, Illinois. Ring the bell. 121. 121. Georgia. Audio.
Down in front of a marathon, then he came uptown, man, where everybody was at, and I just put him out.
Hey, 555, I changed antennas. Hey, 555, 445 said I changed antennas. You got a copy? Have a good day.
Yeah, hey, look, I don't know, man.
Have a good Independence Day.
Breaker.
back quiet.
Morning, my bad.
You guys calling?
I wasn't
Oh, we thank you.
I didn't buzz the man.
We thank you. You better save some flowers for yourself, because you're smoking in the morning. Roger, Roger, Roger. Yeah, just one to wave. Wave it over there. That's it there. Happy day. Oh, sure, you see.
Wilson waving in at 121 in the backwoods of Georgia saying happy 4th of July.
Take your phone. You have a good one there up there, and a happy 4th of July. 457 Dodge Caravan, Illinois. Told you, have a good day. Hey, Ron, hey, my old friend. Independence Day. Hey, Boston.
Hey, good morning. I'm up there at 158. Hey, 158, if you got a copy, good morning time. Happy Independence Day. 6-pack, Smoky Hills waving in.
Don't get too hot. I gotta go outside and put up a...
About a 6-pack, about that 6-pack. 119 in the state of Maine trying.
Sissy drove that truck.
That 309 back out.
Around one of them. She told me that. She didn't get me today. I'm going to change the oil and the plugs and stuff in it. He'll be home.
Hey, Boston, 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 Boston. Hey, Boston, Boston. Happy holiday. Can I get into your radio? Hey, Boston, Boston. 309 back out.
Georgia
Get Boston, Boston.
Happy 4th of July to you and yours up on that end. Pistol Grill.
Good morning, Boston.
Mr. Green around the bottom side of Tennessee with your 4th of July. Hey, 119.
Oh,
Stations 804 with your 4th of July shout out, Red Pack. Happy Independence. Check. You and yours.
yeah, listen. Good morning. You're sounding real good. Real good, Southern Indiana. Scooby-Doo.
One more time. Just to make sure you heard it. 804 North Carolina, so we heard your radio while I was in the kitchen. 804 Carolina's 4th of July wave. Back quiet. Yours, 119, reading the mail.
Reading the mail off fast.
Work on it over there in that nasty gas yard over there, you know.
Take care. Got some conditions, Mr. More Boston.
Figure, well, use a part of Annie and put it in something else. So I'm going to buy a new truck. Chilly up there? Use 90.
Oh, I know, I hear you. Chilly up there today.
Okie dokie, Boston, we got it all, bud. Totem pole. Hey, Boston, just keep on having fun on that radio. You're sounding...
445, 122, trying to give you a 4-1. Happy 4th of July wave. 445. Sounding good up here in the corner. 122 Main. Just trying to let you know.
Right back. 309, back out.
Where's the casino headers last?
45 007 in Tennessee, John. Hey, 842. I don't know if you were speaking to 309, but we did get you in there.